Here are my older chickens. They saw me. Hey, where are my girls? Come on. Where are the rest of you? Come on, girls. Come on. That's just part of what's closed off for the chickens. About to go check, see if we have any eggs. There's the chicken coop. And then over on this side we have the sheep barn. So I'm going to go down and show you what all we've got for the sheep. Come on, girls. Little platform for them to hide under when it's raining. Gotta go around. Hey, there are my sheep. They're my puppies. They're my puppies. And there are the sheep. Just chilling. Don't know if I'll be able to get close to them. Yeah, hi girls. I'm coming. Scoot over. Scoot over. Hey, sheep, 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 sheep. Come on. Come on. No, they say we want nothing to do with you yet. They're used to Dan. But they've been eating a good chunk of the grass. Kudzu. Still have a lot to go in the field here. I don't know if you can see or not. There's fencing. It's all on our property. And then our property goes down to the tree line. And then quite a bit beyond those trees there. So this is our view from the back windows.